Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sheila. Hey. Today I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow the eyeshadow challenge. The full face of makeup with my favorite eyeshadow palettes. Not just one, because we ain't doing one. We're doing multiples, which is 4. And I'm going to do a full face of makeup with this look. I forgot my mirror, so I have to look into the thing. Carly Bible palette. This is like the deluxe, and it comes with highlights, but we're not highlighters. We're not gonna use it because that counts as cheating, and we're not cheaters, okay? So I now have this makeup look that I took to school because I do makeup for school. And we're just gonna do a basic makeup routine. Of course, gonna take this makeup off with these cleansing towelettes. Look at me using big fancy words. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this makeup off. I'm gonna leave my lashes on because I can't put lashes on with eyeshadow. So we're gonna take everything off the face besides the eyelashes. So let's get started. I'm in my kitchen because that's the only place there's good lighting. So prepare to look at me and looking like shit. If I look down here, it's because I'm using this mirror to guide myself. So first thing I do, I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows. My eyebrows really don't need shading because they're already on fleek. They don't need no help. But so I took off like all the product I could. So we're just gonna go ahead and brush these little guys out. Okay, whatever. Anywho, I'm going to be using the Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the shade dark brown to shade in my hot Cheetos, my eyebrows. So you guys could, judge me. I used to use eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows, so honestly, this is kind of I'm used to this. Ooh. I might film another video later on, just if I'm feeling it, So that's all I'm gonna do. I just outlined it and filled it in. Really conceal it, but we're not using concealer. So we're gonna go ahead into the Carly Bible and take the Carly Bible palette and take this color, this right here. Kind of clean up my eyebrows. Which I don't think it's gonna end up working, but honestly, see? Just don't clean my eyebrows out. In the same color. And then since we use that to kind of conceal, I'm gonna go ahead and take that same color, and then should I mix it with that color and put it on my forehead? Okay, then I'm gonna take this top color right here and I'm gonna put it on my pimple because I have a pimple. Mount Rushmore up in this bitch. Up on this jizzy, and then I'm gonna put it on my nose. Just places where I will conceal. Alright, here. I have another pimple. And then I'm gonna cover my blemishes right here. Is this gonna work? I don't think it's gonna work. You can see my mustache. Damn, I look so cute. And under my eyeballs. Under my eyeballs. And that's the basic color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna take Real Guard and Raw Sienna and mix those two together and put it on my crease. Just to kind of like take the attention away from my really bad makeup by adding more attention to my eyeballs. If that makes any sense. Oh my gosh, if you guys want videos of me like trying to learn how to do makeup, let me know. Let me know. Yeah, we're gonna take this color. You can't even fucking see. We're gonna take this color. And I really don't use this palette. And I'm gonna put it just on my lid right here. Make it look pretty. This is really hard when you have fake lashes on. Does this make me look like a hooker? I think it makes me look... Ooh, I actually just found a new makeup thing. I just have to make it look better. I think I'm doing this right. I should be doing... Like, isn't this pretty? Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I came up with a... Ooh, I actually think... I'm gonna go back to Raw Sienna and the Modern Renaissance and regular and kind of trying to blend that in. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Like, what? What? I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and I'm gonna add this light gold from Lorac Pro, and then we're just gonna highlight the brow bone. If it's even gonna do any type of job. Okay. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take... I don't have another brush. I think if we pack it on, this will work. I'm gonna go back into the Carly Bible palette and I'm gonna use this dark color right here to bronze my face. Hopefully... Honestly, we're just gonna go in circular motions. This looks so much like maybe if I had another brush, but I really don't want to get up. But you get the gist. Now for the highlighting portion. This is such a shitty video and I'm sorry. We're gonna go into Modern Renaissance again and we're gonna get Primavera. Oh, Primavera. Something like a quinceañera song. Okay, we're gonna get this. Or is that a band? Some shit like that. So we're gonna get that with this little flat brush. And then we'll highlight. Wait, this actually might work. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get, honestly. Tip of the nose. Kind of make it look cute. Is it cute? And then right here. So this is my makeup look. Honestly, like, I think like this look came out okay. We used 3. I was gonna use 4, but honestly, like, did I need this? So we used 3 palettes, which I should be proud of myself because these were expensive and I'm finally using them. Anyways, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, you know, smash the like button. So this makeup look actually didn't turn out bad. Maybe next time I use real makeup products, but keep the eye look. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a like, a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a like. If you don't like me, bye. Leave a comment down below. If it's negative, I'm deleting it. If it's you laughing at me, I'm deleting it. Remember, my social media is also down below, so don't forget to, like, you know, click the link, follow me to catch up on my non-existent life. And, you know, I'll see you next week with more videos.
Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love.